Hi everyone, I am Pavitra Kumar. So today we are going to discuss about the life process. So in this session, what is life process, what is nutrition, and what are the types of nutrition, and what are some important of life process. So we are going to see about that. Then uh, what is life process? We are doing something, some movements, right? Some movements day to day life. So this is external movement we are doing for our uh, survival. Survival of the fittest. We have to do some activities, right? So breathing, eating, and walking. These are not necessary, but this is the thing we are doing externally, and internally they are happening. Some things are happening there. So in this lesson, we are going to explore that internal things, internal process happening in the body for our life process. Yeah. The thing is nutrition, transportation, excretion, metabolism, reproduction, and respiration. In nutrition, the body absorbs energy, right? Absorb the food particles and produce energy for our day to day tasks. Then only we can able to perform a day well. So we have to take good amount of nutrition in our day to day life, which will be helpful for our movements and growth. Yeah. Then transportation. Transportation is circulatory system performing the transportation process. The thing is a cell, a blood cell, uh, a heart which is pumping. A heart is a pumping organ which is pumping the blood each and every cell. Then only we can able to move freely. If your fingers have to be uh, move and act well, means you have each and every cell has to be uh, getting the hemoglobin and blood well, then only we can able to perform without any stuck. Yeah. Excretion, the body doesn't need some things, so it will push out the unnecessary thing which is extra at for example, uh, we are sometimes getting vomit, or we are not able to digest all the things. So in that case, the excretory system enter and push out the waste things in your body. Reproduction. Reproduction is a beautiful thing, which is very very important life process, because without reproduction there is no life. Yeah. So each and every stage of a women and men, there are some reproductory parts are changing, and voices are changing. Everything not changing. It will attain some growth in some stages. Yeah. Respiration. Respiration is the respiratory system doing the main process: inhalation, exhalation, inspiration, expiration, everything. So yeah. Whether we are live or alive, how did we find? Through the respiration process. While someone is sleeping means, sometimes we funnily check out if the air is coming, if he exhale and inhale, yeah, he is live, he is alive, right? So it, not serious, just funny. Respiration processes that the inhalation and exhalation of the oxygen. Yeah. We exhale the CO2 and inhale the O2, right? In plants, they uh, inhale the CO2 and exhale the O2. Yeah, metabolism is growth mechanism in our body. Then we first going to see about the process of nutrition. It is we have to take the food, right? So in the food, there are some micronutrients, macronutrients, everything are there. So the nutrition process is filtering that uh, thing and give us energy. So then the remaining things will go to the excretory system, they will take care of. And the importance of nutrition is uh, minerals, energy, these all the things are have to be uh, taken in a good amount for our well-being. So take a good amount of nutrition every day. This will help you growth. Types of nutrition. Nutrition is majorly divided into two types: autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition is preparing the food by themselves, and heterotrophic is depending on other. The heterotrophic has further three classifications: saprophytic, parasitic, and holozoic. So in that we are going to see about autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is photosynthesis. Yeah, they can prepare their own foods, right? So this process is called photosynthesis, and the plant is playing a major role. No, it's the only role of by plants. Yes, the process which green plants make their food from carbon dioxide, water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. So we are going to cook some dish, means we have some ingredients, and we, we use some things, right? We use some what to say, tools, and we uh, put trash some things, right? So like that, the photosynthesis is happening. So the plant going to prepare a dish, which was glucose. So carbon dioxide, water. The two things are the ingredients, and extra things is like masala recipes, like that. The chlorophyll and sunlight have to be. And with these ingredients, plant create a beautiful food, tastiest food, glucose, which is our favorite food too, because we are taken so much of glucose in our life. We are, yeah, the starch, right? We are taking so much of starch. We all like potatoes, like corn, and any starch things we definitely like, because it is a beautiful thing. It is a beautiful dish. So the thing, when we are cutting the vegetables, we have some trashes, right? So like that, oxygen is there. So they prepare a glucose. So photosynthesis is a process which green plants make their own food from the carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Yeah. So uh, in this session, definitely getting idea about what is energy, what is nutrition, and what are the types of nutrition. Then what are the important life process, we have a brief sentence about that, right? So we have a basic idea about all the things. Yes, thank you.